As soon as I get in the car, it starts raining. Alright, top of the morning, how are we? So as you've probably already guessed from the title, today I'm learning how to skate again, or at least starting the journey. It'll be interesting to see how far we can make it. So I stopped skating about 7 or 8 years ago. I broke my kneecap in half and never got back into it. I still have a little roll around occasionally at a park, but for the most part, I haven't done anything. And I gotta be honest, I miss it. I miss having my skill set. I miss feeling comfortable and natural on a board. When your mind believes you can do something, but your body's just not really following it. So the game plan with this is to basically just learn as much flat ground as I can, starting at the complete basics and working my way up. I don't want to just learn something once, so to progress to the next trick, I'm gonna have to land it 3 times. And then each new session that I come back, I'm gonna have to land every single trick that I've learned previously. This will make sure I keep progressing, but it's also gonna give my fitness a chance to catch up. A fair bit of rain hanging around, but let's just see how we go. These dogs, man. Slobbery, soaking wet. I don't know if I can keep bringing you guys, eh? Alright. I think I got ollies. Fakey ollies, no worries. Nollie and switch. So, and nollies are terrible. I just don't have my balance or timing. Switch ollies though. I guess we'll give them a crack. practice baby little pops to get the method down pat. Then they'll start coming together, I reckon. That'll do, one of each. Just keep doing that switch and nollie every time I show up, and should have them down pretty decent in the next month. Alright, just finished the session with one manual, one nose manual, one attempt each. See how far we can get. Gonna lose that one. I went just past camera. Just wanna see something sick before we leave. Max, come here. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Maxie! This way! Let's go, Maxie! Let's go! So yeah, I got no switch or nollie game. I never really did, but I really don't now. I think there's a couple of reasons for that. One is there's just no strength in my knee. I need to start doing some squats or something. But yeah, my right leg, fine, no worries, feels strong as. My left leg just doesn't have the bounce in it. Doesn't have any spring. Anyway, so work on that, but then also just the timing, man. I feel really uncoordinated trying to skate, switch or nollie. Hopefully within the next month or two, just doing a little bit of that every single day, every time I rock up, I'll be able to perfect that stuff and actually progress with some other stuff as well. Didn't do much. Didn't do much at all. Hoping to do that maybe 4 mornings a week if I can. And once I've got into this flat ground a bit, then I'll move to the park and start doing some transition stuff as well. Same thing, start from the very basics and see how far we can go. But the main idea of this is just to keep progressing, keep improving every single session. All right. Catch you next time, my friends. Thanks for tuning in. Stay productive, stay healthy. See you next time.